All right, boys and girls, here we are. Fall Math Boxes, page number 16, Input and Output. Directions. Use the rules for each set to complete the input-output tables. The old function machine, I think, is what it used to be called way back in the day. Here we go. The rule, add 100. So if the number's 340 going in, if we add 100 to it, 3 plus 1 is 440. Right? So we're just going to add 1 to the hundreds column. 8 plus 1, 950. See how the other stuff isn't really changing right now? 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 1, 7. Cool, right? Again, add 100. What's 1 plus 1? That's right, 2. This is a 0 in front of there. Remember that? Because it's only 2 digits. So here's your ones digit, your tens column. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column. Ones, tens, hundreds. A 1 plus nothing is 1. 7 plus 1, 8. This one says add 150. Ooh, tricky. So, what is 5 plus 5? Let me get my ones column. 5 plus 5 is 5 plus 5, 10. But I'm only going to put my 0 down. I'm going to put my 1 here on top of my 100. And then I'm also going to put another 1 there because it says add 150. So 7 plus 1 plus 1, 7, 8, 9. Again, 5 is going to stay a 5. 5 plus 2, because it's a 5 in this column. So 2 plus 5 is 5, 6, 7. And 1 plus the 1 for adding 150 is 2. All right, again, the 5 stays a 5. 6 plus 5 is like 5 plus 5 plus 1, so 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. We put the 1 here. Remember to put the 1 up there. And then we're adding a 1 for the hundreds column. So we're going to add another 1 up there. So 4 plus 1 plus 1, so 4, 5, 6. Excellent. All right, let's add 25. Kind of the same thing here, right? So 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to carry the 1 way over to the hundreds now. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, notice how I'm just going to write that 25 down there, right? Okay, so what's 7 plus 5? 12. Carry that 1 over to the next column, right? 1 plus 3 plus 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Good. And 3 plus nothing is 3. And again, let's write another 25 on there. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Very good. We're going to carry that 1 up here into the tens column. And we're going to add 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 5. 6 we do nothing with. 653. All right. Now we get to do some multiplication. You've been doing this forever. It's just a fancy name for it. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 doubled. 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 times 2, or just simply 8 plus 8, it's 2 8s, right? 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 times 2 is 16. 7 times 2, or 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 2 6s is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Multiply by 3. So this time it's 3 of them. So 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay? Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 8 more is 24. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 threes. So 6 plus 6 was 12. Plus 6 more is 18. 9 plus 9. 9 twos. Okay? 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 9 more is 27. We could also think of it as 10. So let's go 10 times 3. Well, it's 10, 20, 30. And then take away 3 is 27. They all equal 27. You notice that? All right, let's multiply by 5. 6. Okay, so I'm just going to use my fingers right here. Ready? So 6 times 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's our 30. Okay? 8. Right here. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I'm just counting by fives. I remember when I taught kindergarten, having kids count by fives. Oh, they absolutely loved it. They could do it. They do it singy-songy. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And they do it all the time. It was great. 3 fives. 5, 10, 15. 7 fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. All right, multiply by 10. Now you know the trick on this, right? Put a 0 behind it. 7 with a 0 behind it in the ones place. 10, put a 0 behind it. 4, you put a 0 behind it. 6, put a 0 behind it. Yep, that's it. Or you can count by tens. So you can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 tens. 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yes!
All right, let's pause here. All right, boys and girls. So we had a little break here in the middle of the action, so I hope you took advantage of it. But we are back at it right now. Rule, divide by 2. So basically it's cutting it in half, right? So we have divided by 2 for years. You've been splitting stuff in half with your friends. I know you have. All right. So if we divide that in 2 or cut it in half, half of 14 is 7. Again, 20 divided by 2 or put it into 2 equal pieces, 10. 8 went to 4 and 16 goes to 8 it is, right? Yep. Good job. Rule, divide it by 10. So take 10 into 10 equal pieces, right? It's going to be 1. 10 ones is 10. 40 into 10 equal pieces is 4. 70 is to 7. 110 is to 11. If you notice, 1, 4, 7, 11. 1, 4, 7, 11. Yeah, that's right. Divided by 3. 3 equal pieces. 3 into 3 equal pieces. They're 1 piece each. 9, well, 3, 6, 9, right? So 3. 15 will be 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. And 21. 7, 14, 21. I just know that one, okay? That is a 7. All right. Putting them into 4. Well, let's think of it as cutting it in half twice. So 16, I'm going to go like this. 16 cut in half once is 8. Cut in half again is 4. Okay? 24 cut in half is 12. 12 cut in half is 6. 40 cut in half is, that's not the right one. 40 cut in half is 20. 20 cut in half is 10. Now, I know some of those are pretty tough, okay? We will get into those a little more later, and we'll learn how to do those, all right? But you're going to do awesome. All right? We'll see you later, kids.